week Bitcoin and in a little bit of trouble. FOMC meeting coming on Wednesday. What is going to be the future of crypto? Let's find out in this video. Welcome back, guys. Andrea here. So today, guys, important news for this week. We have the FOMC meeting. So Jerome Powell is going to decide whether he's going to hike another 25 basis points or they're going to pause into this FOMC meeting, right? So I guess we have two scenarios for this week. It's going to pretty much tell where the price of crypto is going to go to, and also stocks crypto, because as you know, if they're going to hike 25 basis points, which looks like is already baked in, already 99% of the consensus is saying that we're going to hike rates, then we might see like a shallow correction in the stock market, but also maybe a little bit in crypto. But if they're going to pause interest rates, that's going to be extremely bullish for crypto, Bitcoin, stocks, and anything else. And we're going to see probably continuation of this early bull market, we can say. So Wednesday FOMC, again, don't trade on the news, don't trade on that day, because the market is going to be crazy volatile, but expect lots of news which are going to come. Now, let's find today what's going to be happening now with Bitcoin short term this week, and I can give you a little bit of an idea where I think the price is going to go to in the next coming weeks or also months. Now, let's get into the charts. Alrighty, so at the moment I'm on the weekly chart, and I'm showing here Bitcoin that is pretty much in this ascending channel over here. Now, this ascending channel, as I wrote before, I'm expecting now that Jerome Powell is going to deliver 25 basis points, and I can see that at the moment Bitcoin is showing a little bit of weakness. Right, it's not as strong as it was before. Looks like it's consolidating, maybe it's reaccumulating again. And therefore, I wouldn't be surprised if we are going to see a little bit of a pullback. Now, as long as we are here in this channel here, as long as we are in this channel, we are touching this big diagonal level of support. Now we are totally safe. Okay, but once we start to break this level over here, that is gonna be very, very painful. But at the moment, looks like still intact. We're still doing well. So on the weekly chart, I wrote here an idea where I think the price of Bitcoin could go to in the next few months. As I said before, whenever we're gonna see like the correction over here, maybe at $28,000 ish, then we could probably pump to 37 to 38,000 from here until the end of August, September. Then what I'm expecting after in September, after Jackson Hole, and also after the month of September, would be a little bit of a correction, because as you know, in terms of seasonality, um, September is also like a very bearish month, and Bitcoin on since this creation once was all bullish in September, and all the other months was bearish. So again, maybe I can expect a break to this level here to $37,000 to $38,000, then a retest, correction retest at $32,000, and then at the end of the year, a nice shoot up to the upside of 40, in between 46 and 48,000. And again, at the moment, what I'm very concerned and I really want to see is a big breakout on this level over here. So can you see? I'm gonna change color. I'm gonna put it in the green area. So we want to really break this wall over here at around $32,000 to then have more, I would say, confidence that this bull market, this bull run has actually started, right? Because once we break this level here, then of course we could go to this level, catch some liquidity, then go back down again, but retest this area and then shoot off to this new level of resistance. Now, more in a short term, I'm going to show you what I think is can be happening. Now, my only thing I'm looking at the moment, right, on the daily chart is that I'm trying to understand if we are in the market cycle into hope or into disbelief. And by the way, let me know in the comments below if you think we are in hope or disbelief, or we are just in euphoria. You let me know what do you think is that. So in my opinion, if we are going now to retest this level here, this is my, I would say, target area, which is the support of this diagonal line right here at roughly $27,000, 27,200. Now, if we're gonna bounce, we're gonna have a strong bounce from here, and then we're gonna continue to go up to $38,000, $40,000. Then I believe that we are into a hope phase in the market cycle. We're gonna go into after I think it was courage and euphoria to remember, but that's what I think it is. However, if we're going to break this level here, if we're going to break this $27,000, then I'm expecting then to retest this diagonal line of support over here, which is going to be at $21,000 to $22,000, because of course I guess, if you're gonna portray more like this, then it can bring us to $22,000 ish, which also corresponds to the 0.786 Fibonacci, or in between the 0.618. So again, it will be interesting to see if we're going to retest this area. And in that case, then I would say that if you go down this way here, then all of this movement here in the market cycle for Bitcoin would have been just a disbelief phase. But again, long to medium term, I'm extremely bullish, and I think this is the start of a new bull market. Again, some people are saying that we might see a crash coming soon. It's going to be the end of the world, but in reality, okay, let's say for example that we are going to see another crash. Right? The Bitcoin is going to fall down again to 20,000, right? Well, in my opinion, I mean, I would be happy if I'm gonna see this and then I'm gonna see this, because then you're gonna see a double bottom, and then it's gonna go up like crazy. It's gonna go up like crazy. We're gonna reach this level here very very quickly, and then probably to new high in the next upcoming year. Now, the next thing I want to show you today, it's very funny thing that I draw, like here. That's the reason why we could be in a blow off top scenario with crypto stocks and anything else is that this is a graph of the market cycle that the perma bears have been trying to tell you. So every time the market is going higher, you listen to all the investment gurus and all these people who are experts in the market are telling you that we are in a bear market rally. It's gonna go down. It's gonna go down. But I mean, look from here, guys. We just went into like a crazy uptrend, and then look, we are very close to all-time highs. So I will say that from a macro point of view, it looks like that this rally has legs. And then once the Fed is going to decide to finish their monetary tightening, guys, I think that is going to be very easy for the Nasdaq, right, to break these levels of resistance, and then really to go into price discovery. And then a target could be 20,000, 22,000. Very difficult to say right now, but even looking at the RSI from here to here, right, we can even go probably at this level here. Look how much we are missing here. So if you then it translate this level to this level, right, it could probably bring us to here at maybe $20,000. So if Nasdaq is going to go to new highs, and also remember that Bitcoin is waiting for the spot ETF, right? We're going to see a big movement in crypto as well. Now, the next one I want to show you today, guys, it's the Solana. Solana has been also going into a big spike over here. It went up to $32, and now is retracing down. And as you can see, right, if you look at my previous videos, I wrote here when Solana was at this level, that we might see the correction go down to this level over here. Look what's happening over here. So we nailed it. So well done to all the community guys that our community, that they nailed this trade. Everybody made very good gains. So good job on that. And now what I want to see, it will be a retouch on the daily of Solana at this level of diagonal support, which also coincides to the 50 in the RSI. So the RSI on the 50 is whenever you recharge the RSI, and then it's going to shoot up again. So I'm expecting with Solana to, of course, retest this level of support at this line over here, and then to shoot to new highs with a target of roughly my first target will be in between $44 and $56. So let's see how high we could go with that. And the last one I want to show you guys is the DXY. And again, DXY, I made this graph 4 or 5 days ago when we were here, saying that we would have seen a bounce in the DXY around this area over here, and this is what is happening right now. So I guess it's following what we said. And again, for the DXY, I'm expecting to retrace up to the 0.618 Fibonacci, $102, to then, of course, go down to new lows. And if this is going to happen, guys, of course, it's going to be extremely bullish for stocks and crypto, because whenever the DXY moves down, stocks and crypto go up. So that's the standard rule, invertedly correlated, and that's the expectation. So to summarize everything, guys, FOMC meeting on Wednesday. I'll probably try to do like a live stream, but I won't be trading these days, so careful trading during FOMC. I'm expecting a 25 basis points from Powell, but could be coming also as a pause. But then I'm expecting as well that Bitcoin is going to correct down to at least $28,500, $28,000, if not even a deeper correction, maybe $26,000, $27,000. If that fails, then of course we're going to see 22,000 in play again, but I don't believe it's going to be happening. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Just don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also to leave a comment down below. And have a great day, and I'm going to see you in the next video.